Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Today I want to talk to you today about if you owe millions of dollars in IRS debt, how is the government going to handle those cases? Well, as a former agent, I work those cases, so I'm probably a good person for you to listen to, and I can tell you how they're going to work the case. What happens when that case comes into an inventory? You as a revenue officer have a whole bunch of tools to find out, just sitting at your computer, what's going on, and get background information that you may not even know. You probably know about yourself, but you've never collected this in one piece. You can pull up a LexisNexis report. You can check passports. You can check business licenses. You can go ahead. LexisNexis, of course, is going to tell you a lot. At some point in time, you can pull up credit reports. You can look at where you're charging things, what your monthly corporate bills are, what your personal bills are. IRS, just sitting at their computer, will check whether you made trips out of the country. They can check gun licenses, businesses. They can check anything. Sitting at their computer in 1/2 hour, they're going to get so much information on you. They're going to have a pretty good idea what's going on. Plus, they're going to have your tax returns there. With a stroke of a pen, they can go ahead and get all your checks for the last 6 years. They can see anyone that you paid, no matter what's going on in your life. So before they've actually contacted you, they already have a presupposition in their mind what they're going to go ahead and do. What they're going to look at next is to find out, A, have you fixed the problem? Are you current? Are all tax returns filed? And are you making estimate payments or business quarterlies, whatever? They're going to look at the whole gambit of what you're doing to make sure the problem this day that they've worked this case is going to stop like within a month. Because if not, you get graded as a revenue officer. Pardon me. You get graded on what's happening with that taxpayer in your inventory. The supervisors actually look at that. More important, they want an exit strategy from you, how you're going to deal with the debt. Now, not all of them come to full pays. Many come to part pay agreements. Many come to offers and compromise. And believe it or not, a lot of these be put in currently non-collectible because at the time something's happened to the taxpayer or the entity. So if you need help with any of this stuff, I know exactly what IRS is going to do every step of the way. Contact me. If you wish, give me a subscription. Just rewind this video, watch, listen to everything I told you, because that's how this is how the investigation IRS is going to conduct. I did this for 10 years. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you.